Good day, everyone. So today you will going to learn linear search algorithm with Java codes. But first, let us know. So what is linear search? A linear search or sequential search is a method for finding an element within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. For example, so I have here a data 5, 20, 35 to 42, 55, 71, 18. So let's say this is array. So let's say this is array M or A. Then let's count the number of index. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 8 elements here. Now, how will you going to use the linear search? So a linear search iterative, it is an iterative method. So start the loop from the 0 index. So we will start here. Then up to the last index. So from the 7th index. Until the next, until you find the next data. So for example, you want to search for the data of 42. So again, iterative method, you will start from the zero loop or 0 index. So let us start with 5. So is 5 is equal to 42. So the answer is no. So you will proceed to the index 1. So is 20 is equal to 42? No. So you move from index 1 to index 2. So is 35 is equal to 42? So no, the answer. So you will proceed to the index 3. So is 2 is equal to 42? So the answer still no. And then proceed to the next index. So we are in the index 4. So is 42 is equal to 42. So the answer is yes. So the element 42 so is in the fourth index. Okay, so you will see the values of 42 in the fourth index. Fourth index, but in the fifth element. Okay, so fifth element or element 5, you will see the data 42 in the element 5 index 4. So again, the answer is you will see the data 42 in the element 5 index 4. Okay, so that is the answer. So index 4, element 5 is you search the number 42 to the index 4 element 5. So this is how you will search the data using the linear search or sequential search. So let us have code how you will code this in Java. Okay. So first, let us have a scanner here. Import java.util.scanner. So what is the use of this code is for you to get the data or the what the user will enter to your program. So import java.util.scanner. You use this code if you want to the user wants to type the number of values. Okay, so scanner SC is a variable, so you can change SC whatever variable you want to type here. So scanner system.in, then system.out.println. So you will ask the user enter how many values you want. Okay. Oops. And then, so let us declare a data type int and a variable n is equals to, so the SC, whatever the user will enter to your program. And then another integer here for the number of index of an array. So equals to new int and then the number of element. Okay. Then system that out that print line. So what will happen? Enter, okay, the n values. And then let us use the for loop. Okay, so for, so integer or int I is equals to 0, then I is less than the array, so array length I plus plus, then the array index or I we declared earlier, so it is equals to sc dot next int is equals to the values that you enter or the user have entered, then system that print line, so enter element you want to search. Then semicolon, then let us declare another data type int, then a variable named data, so you can change the variable data, whatever variable you want to type here. Next int, okay, then another data type int, then the position of the element, okay, so -1. Then let us declare another for loop for int I is equals to 0, then I less than to the array length, then I plus plus, so if the array index, okay, is equal to the data, so what will happen? So it will get the position of the element, and if not, so it will break the program. Okay, then let us declare another if, let's say the position is not equal. Okay, so it's not equal to -1, So system dot out dot print line. Then get the data. So meaning it is not found at position. Then position. Then increment to 1. Okay, semicolon. Else system else. So system dot out dot print line. So get the data and it is not found. Okay, so let us run our program. Oops, so 17. I have an error. So 17. So system int. Okay. So let me check. What is int data equals to sc dot next int position equals to -1. Okay, let me check. So for int I equals to 0, I r dot length I plus plus. Then if ri is equals to data, open curly brace, position equals to I, then break, then close. 17. Okay. So I have missing code here. I did not type here the n. Okay, so let us run again. Okay, so let's say how many values you want. So in our previous example, so we have 8 elements here. Okay, so let's say 8. Okay, then enter. So enter the 8 value. So in our presentation, so 5, 20, 35, 2. So let us enter. So 5, 20, 35, then 2. Then what's next? 42, 55, 71. 42, 55, 42, 55, 71, and 18. Okay, so after that, okay, so enter you want to search. So we want to search the data 42. So what will happen? Data 42 is in the PIP. Okay, so data 42 is in the PIP element. Okay, so tama. So let us check if our answer earlier is correct. So earlier our answer is the data 42 is in the PIP element but in the port position index. Okay, so our answer earlier is correct. So I hope you learned something new on how you will use the linear search or sequential search in algorithm using Java codes. So good luck and God bless.